Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.
Ka Sanshnong Cluster Level Federation CLF kabatrikam hapo ka Block Mission Management Unit BMMU jong ka Wapong Block ha East Jaintia Hills District hapo ka jingpet jong ka Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society MSRLS CNRD Department kalayo ya ka jing ithu ha ka ribaro kway halor ka jing tre bakerpang banken tiw yak roy kapar ha ka imlang sa lang. Haga kat South Nailar ka Sanshnong CLF kalasya pun ko buram ha New Delhi da ka khusnam haga kerdan ka baar hakathob Best Federation below 5 years haga jing sam khusnam Atma Nirbhar Sangathan ka barakhi ka benta ka bakta halor ki pynroi balaya lam da ka Federation. Kawai na kinungelam ka CLF kalayo banyak kenduk markhmat bat yakren bat umentri katana Rural Development ka Sorkar Pedeng Shivraj Singh Chauhan hakaba kalayat hu ya kajingat lenti jongka kaba penkla dor yaladi na kajinglong dekat jongka self-help group SHG syaka lakpati DD bat nongelam ka CLF. Ka kana syapang jongka haringkat kajing persyang lang jongka Federation kala ay mensiam ki babun bat kalapan paw ya kajing seiso jongka National Rural Livelihoods Mission NRLM.